Hey, you too. Welcome back here. Today I got two pairs of new shoes. They are new color of Yeezy 350 V2. So let me show you this pair. This is the ash blue. You can take. For the pattern on the V2, all are the same, just the color is different. This is the ash blue. You can take the front. And the side here got the yellow strap, transparent gray color midsole, curved shape backside, and on the heel part you can take this in the middle got this kind of station. And then this part is a little lighter than the midsole. This part linked to the whole bottom. You can take and the got a white boost. And this is the inner side. Here got two tags. The whole inner side is very unique color and with different kind pattern. And inside, you can look inside the shoe part got Adidas and its letter. And the back side got 3 strips is 3M. You can have a close look. This is the ash blue. What do you think with this color? Now let me show the other pair. This one is the ash purple. Both pairs are available here with different color. You can take one is the more darker and the other one is the more light. So you can take the whole side with 3 parts here with different color and also different pattern. And the transparent milky white midsole. Inside got a white boost and also curved shape backside. And check out the heel part. So you can legally spear with different kind of stitching in the middle here. Divide into parts. And this part also different color here. You can link to the whole midsole and the whole bottom is this brown color. Also got the white boost. And check out the inner side. Also got 2 tags here. And about the inside. And also this color is the milky white cloth material. Backside also got 3M strips. The milky white midsole got black Adidas and the Yeezy letter. This one is the ash blue. So these are 2 colors, new color of Yeezy 350 V2. So which one would you like better? So for more information, please check out on my website. Thanks for seeing the next video. Bye bye.